and Andrew came and visited.
I got the eye of a tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion.
Billy Cart merchandise and lots of goodies from Mount George Shop. Here it is. Oh, nice roll. That was a nice throw. Coming back. Nice strong name.
All right. Yeah, it's a lovely view.
Open your mouth. There's somebody has to
Let me die! Oh yeah.
We're here at the 2023 Mount George Billy Cart Festival. How's the day going, Kate?
Absolutely fantastic. This is our 6th year running and it could not be bigger or better. We are so happy. We've had some amazing weather and some really fantastic carts heading down the track today.
Any new ones that you've seen?
Definitely some new ones. There's some really well done. Green is definitely, I think, the colour of the year. A couple of really smooth line green machines heading down the track.
And the rider is taking Let's give it up to Joe.
Go, Joe!
Fantastic job, Joe. Now this is quite a fast race here today. The wheelbarrow training night now heat. But it looks like we have River, who's taking out that corner so smoothly and is going to be heading in
Go,
to
Ribbon.
the crowd. Give it our quarterfinals, the race of the green machine. Who is going to be taking out the green machine? Had a bit of a wobble at the end. Have to do that one again.
Oh, we've had a bent wheel.
That was such a close race. We've had another crash, ladies and gentlemen. Heading down in first, but of course that's going in. Jamie, the country road seller from last year, and the Moral Creek Mongrel, who is smoothly racing down the track. We've got Timothy, not that far behind. It was a close one, ladies and gentlemen. We have the gorgeous Flip taking. Mount George corner. Looks like it's taken the lead. Not really around that second corner.
And we appreciate your support, Jamie and Ann. Every year, you're here with the Viper. Chelsea, where are you?